Good morning, children. Today we shall learn about petroleum and its usage. Like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuel, which means it is formed from the remains of dead organisms. But it is liquid as the process of its formation was much different from the formation of coal. Petroleum was formed from the remains of sea creatures. As they died, their bodies settled at the bottom of sea or ocean and gradually got covered by sand, clay, etc. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. All of us know how important petrol, diesel, etc. are. We get these fuels from petroleum. We also get kerosene from petroleum. Petroleum needs to be refined in the refineries to get these fuels. Raw petroleum or crude oil is a dark, oily liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is extracted from Earth's crust through a deep oil well. A huge pump extracts the petroleum through this deep oil well. Petroleum is a complex mixture. Petroleum refining means separating its components, and it is carried out at petroleum refineries. This separation process is known as fractional distillation. This process is actually for separating chemical components by their boiling point. Mixture is heated to a temperature at which one or more fractions of the compound will vaporize. Look, different components vaporize at different temperature and thus get separated. So, we get lots of things from petroleum. We get fuels like petrol, kerosene, diesel, LPG, etc. We get lubricating oil. Paraffin wax, which we get from the residue of the refining process, is used for making ointments, candles, petroleum jelly, face cream, wax, etc. Bitumen, which is also obtained from residue of fractional distillation process, is used for making paint and building roads. Every component of petroleum has some use, hence it is often called black gold. Natural gas is a very important fuel because it is easy to transport through the pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, in short CNG. CNG is used for generating power as fuel for cars. CNG is less polluting than petrol, diesel, etc. But coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. aren't available in unlimited quantity. With heavy use of these, we will run out of these resources in not so distant future. So, these are exhaustible natural resources. Hence, we have turned to resources which are available in unlimited quantity for fuel, electricity production, etc. Sunlight, air are such inexhaustible natural resources. Solar energy is nowadays used for generating electricity for home, industry, etc. also for cooking. In not so distant future, solar energy would also be used to run cars. So now you know about petroleum and its usage. To sum up, petroleum is a fossil fuel. Petroleum was formed from the dead remains of sea animals millions of years ago. Petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, lubricating oil are obtained by refining petroleum. Like coal, petroleum is an exhaustible natural resource, which means only a limited supply is available. Hence, we should use it judiciously. That's all for now. Bye bye, children.